Paris, the city of light, the city of love. A timeless masterpiece that whispers its magic into every corner of your soul. Here, the Eiffel Tower stands as a beacon of dreams, its iron lacework catching the first golden rays of dawn. Beneath its shadow, Paris awakens, a symphony of footsteps, laughter, and the aroma of freshly baked croissants. Life slows down at a corner cafe, where time feels like an old friend, and each sip of espresso tastes like art. These are the moments where Paris invites you to linger. From the grandeur of the Louvre to the sacred serenity of Sacré-Cœur, Paris is a treasure trove of beauty, history, and stories waiting to be discovered. Beyond its famous landmarks lie the secrets of Paris. The cobblestone streets of Rue Crémieux, where every doorway tells a tale. The quiet elegance of hidden courtyards, and the magical covered passages that transport you to another era. Here, in places like Shakespeare and Company, stories breathe. Words weave themselves into the Parisian air, whispering to all who listen. The Seine, a river of poetry, reflects the lives of lovers, dreamers, and wanderers. As you stroll its banks, you feel connected to something eternal. Paris is not just a destination, it's a feeling. A fleeting glance at a stranger, a quiet sunset over the city's rooftops, or the joy of discovering a hidden cafe where time seems to stand still. Every light, every moment, every heartbeat in Paris reminds you of the beauty of being alive. This is Paris, where the ordinary becomes extraordinary, and every moment feels like a dream. Come, walk its streets, and let it change you forever. Like, comment, and share the magic of Paris with someone who dreams of adventure. Paris is alive in the rhythm of its daily life. The markets overflow with the scent of lavender, ripe cheeses, and freshly baked baguettes. Every corner feels like a canvas painted with love and laughter. In Montmartre, where artists have gathered for centuries, creativity spills onto the streets. Each painting, each melody of a street performer is a glimpse into the soul of this city, an eternal muse for dreamers and creators. Paris is also the stage for grandeur. The Opera Garnier invites you to lose yourself in the beauty of its architecture and the stories told under its opulent chandelier. As the sun dips below the horizon, Paris transforms. The lights of the Eiffel Tower shimmer like diamonds and the city hums with life. In the intimate glow of its bistros, laughter mixes with the notes of jazz, creating an ambiance you'll never forget. Paris is not just a place, it's a feeling, a story, a promise of something greater. Whether you're falling in love for the first time or falling in love again, this city will leave its mark on your heart. And so, we leave Paris tonight. But Paris never leaves us, until we meet again.